Alright, this is 4K30, this is part 2. So, today is January the 6th, 2026, obviously. So, it's Wednesday, so I'll do the whole fucking date. That's what I like to do. I'll just do Wednesday. Fuck it. Wednesday. J. A. N. January 6. 2 0 2 6. That's my at symbol. At 1 11. I'll just do 1 10 p.m. Boom. Now we'll take this, and it says this side faces furnace, so it goes in like this. Pause. Alright, unpause. Go to full blast. Hi. It's really difficult this angle though. And then oh god damn. I'm just gonna put new tape on it. Fuck it. See what I mean? Yeah. Got my big ass fucking roll of tape. Duct tape. You know what? I can go turn on the furnace again now. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, no, not yet. I have to put the fucking thing back. I have to put this back. I forgot. Because once the fucking filter is in, and I turn on the furnace, it will literally suck it in. And, I won't have any, you know. Okay. Now, I go turn on the furnace. Boom. Fan is on. At least it started, you know. It's a really fucking bad angle, sorry. Fuck me, why did I put the tape all the way over here? You bitch. Motherfucker. Fuck you. And there goes the furnace. Wow, that even sounds better too. You know what, I'm gonna put some right here too. All right. Good. That's good. Okay. Now get the fuck out of here without getting... Oh man. God damn it, there goes my light. Well, if you did enjoy this video... I didn't even have my fucking headlamp on this whole time. I'm stupid. Well, it makes the thing fucking flicker like crazy. But if you did enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.